Hello guys, at Simeo we are developing a secret manager with a unique as code approach to make it really easy for developers to install and integrate the best cybersecurity practices and secrets management. So let's get started with a product demo of our SaaS. Our SaaS is connected to GitHub or GitLab so you can have access to all your repository. To give you an idea of how it would be easy for you to set up a project, first add the configuration, start from scratch, choose the branch on which you want to commit the configuration, write your first contract, so the contract defines a data structure with type attributes instead of environment variables, name the configuration, and finally commit. You now have access to the staging environment or the production environment with empty configuration values. Fill in the values, save, and now you can integrate the configuration in your codebase. To do so, pull the configuration contract committed on GitHub. Okay, the file is there. Use our SDK to build the type object corresponding to the contract. You can see the config object containing the data structure with the type attributes. Finally, wrap the starting command of your application with our SDK in order to fetch and load the configurations from the SaaS. Alright, the configuration values are loaded. The contract combined with the SDK allows you to validate the configuration content. If you add a new configuration in your codebase but not in the SaaS, the application cannot start. In addition, you can use the validate command in your CI/CD to avoid breaking your environment. We also provide a Python SDK and a CLI to integrate all programming languages and ops use cases. Feel free to connect and test our SaaS, join our Slack, or directly book a meeting on our calendar. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.